In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause your Big Cartel store. This is a straightforward process that can be incredibly helpful if you need to make significant updates to your store, take a vacation, or temporarily halt sales for any reason. Let's dive into the steps to make this pause as smooth as possible. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Big Cartel homepage. You can easily do this by typing www.bigcartel.com into your browser's address bar. This page serves as the gateway to all Big Cartel's features, including the login portal that we'll be using shortly. Upon arriving at the Big Cartel homepage, your next move is to click on the Login button. This option is typically located in the top right corner of the homepage. A click here will lead you directly to the login page, where you're one step closer to accessing your store's backend. On the login page, you'll be prompted to enter your shop URL. This is your unique store address that you chose when setting up your Big Cartel store. It's important to enter this information exactly as it is, including any specific characters or spacing, to ensure you successfully move forward. After you've entered your shop URL, you'll be asked for your password. Make sure to type it in carefully. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's usually a forgot password link somewhere on the login page that can assist you in resetting it. Once you're successfully logged in, you're going to be directed to your Big Cartel dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, from managing your products to analyzing your sales data. But today we're focusing on how to pause your store, so let's continue moving forward. On your dashboard, look for the account option. This is usually found in the dashboard's navigation menu, and clicking on it will take you to a page where you can manage all aspects of your account, including personal information, billing, and more. Now, within the account settings, you'll find the Maintenance Mode section. This is the crucial feature for pausing your store. When you click on it, you're essentially toggling on a setting that makes your shop inaccessible to the public. It's a temporary measure that doesn't affect your store's data or settings, but allows you time to work behind the scenes without customer interruption. Upon activating maintenance mode, your store will display a customizable message to any visitors who try to access your shop. This is a great opportunity to communicate with your customers about why your store is temporarily unavailable and when they can expect it to return. It helps maintain transparency and keeps your customer base informed. Let's talk about why you might want to pause your store with maintenance mode. Perhaps you're updating your product line, adjusting your pricing, or maybe you're revamping your store's design for a fresh look. These changes can sometimes lead to temporary disruptions that might not provide the best customer experience. By pausing your store, you can work freely without worrying about displaying incomplete changes or errors to your customers. Another reason might be for vacations or personal breaks. Running a store can be consuming, and everyone deserves a break now and then. Pausing your store allows you to take that step back, relax, and return with fresh energy and ideas. When you're ready to unpause your store, simply go back to the maintenance mode section and toggle it off. Your store will immediately become live again, ready to welcome back your customers. In summary, pausing your Big Cartel store using maintenance mode is a straightforward process. Beginning with logging into your account, navigating to the dashboard, selecting account settings, and finally toggling on maintenance mode. Whether you're pausing for updates, personal breaks, or other reasons, it's a valuable feature that keeps you in control of your store's public-facing presence. Remember, transparency with your customers about these pauses can help maintain trust and anticipation for your store's return. And with that, you've learned how to effectively pause, and unpause your Big Cartel store. Thank you for joining me today, and happy selling.